Well, first up, let's talk about the India versus Pakistan match in the upcoming World T20 at Dharamsala that still seems to be in limbo as the Pakistan Cricket Board has asked their team to hold back over security concerns. Now, the Pakistan Cricket Board has even asked the ICC to change the venue from Dharamshala, though the BCCI has been persuading the PCB for Dharamshala. For now, however, what we're getting to hear is that the Pakistan team will not be travelling to India today, but sources say that if the Pakistan Cricket Board stick to their demand, the match just might be shifted out to Kolkata. Pakistan media reports also say that there is a possibility of Kolkata being the next venue. A two-member inspection team from Pakistan, which did visit the venue in Dharamshala, has said that they did not get any solid assurances of security to the Pakistan cricket team. People, however, within the BCCI say that the Chief Minister is only playing politics, indulging in double-speak, because he apparently has told the Pakistan delegation that he will be providing the necessary security, however, has said just the opposite to the media. A final decision will only be taken after a green signal is given by the Pakistan government. In fact, a crucial meeting, what we're getting to here, did take place between the Pakistan Prime Minister Nawaz Sharif and the Interior Minister, and this meeting, as we are getting to know, is currently underway on this particular matter.
सोचा इलेक्शन के बारे में बात करेंगे.
It's important question. That is a foregone conclusion. They have backed up. So how do you respond?
I'm hearing it from you for the first time.
They are doing a press conference right now. So how do you respond to it, sir?
Nothing. It is up to them whether they want to play or not. It is up to the Cricket Board of India whether they want to play or not. And I said that so far Himachal Pradesh is concerned, no matter which team plays, we will provide them safety to the extent possible. Safety. So there was a lot of public resentment against the participation of Pakistan team in the Dharamshala match, and but that doesn't mean that we are not capable of handling it.
सर अनुराग ठाकुर कह रहे हैं कि सरकार जरूर बात कर रही है, सुरक्षा देगी सरकार. अनुराग ठाकुर कह रहे हैं कि सरकार सुरक्षा देने की बात कर रही है, सुरक्षा तो जरूर दी जाएगी, लेकिन जिस तरह से साथ में ये कहा जा रहा है कि उन्हें हटाया नहीं जाएगा प्रदर्शनकारियों को.
मैंने कभी नहीं कहा कि उन्हें हटाया नहीं जाएगा. मैं कहा हम प्रदर्शनकारी के ऊपर ना तो हम लाठी चार्ज करेंगे, ना उन पर हम अश्रु गैस भेजेंगे, मगर उनको एक डिस्टेंस पर रखा जाएगा. इसका मतलब नहीं है कि जो स्टेडियम है उसमें आने जाने में कोई असुविधा होगी.
अनुराग ठाकुर ये भी कह रहे हैं कि आपने क्लियर कट स्टेटमेंट जो है वो अभी तक नहीं दी है.
आई एम नॉट आंसरेबल टू मिस्टर अनुराग ठाकुर.
देखिए, मैंने स्पष्ट कहा कि प्रदेश सरकार को सुरक्षा मुहैया करवानी है, और प्रदेश सरकार जिस तरह से कोर्ट में कुछ कहती है और कोर्ट के आदेशों के बाद बाहर मुख्यमंत्री अलग अलग टिप्पणियां करते हैं, उससे एक बड़ा प्रश्न चिन्ह खड़ा होता है. इसलिए निर्णय किसी को करना है तो आईसीसी को करना है.
Our sports consulting editor Boria Majumdar joins us for more on this. Boria, very interesting to hear the Himachal Pradesh minister saying that he's not answerable to Anurag Thakur, but that does not mean that the state government is not capable of handling the security. But now, despite the uncertainty that prevails over the security clearance, what do you think is going to happen next?
The other important thing, you've taken words out of my mouth there. I mean, the other important thing that was evident in that interaction with the media was that the protesters will be allowed. They will be kept at a distance, but will be allowed. So there will be protests, is what he's saying. And if there are protests, that actually makes the Pakistani establishment jittery. And if that is what is coming out of Himachal Pradesh, I don't see this match happening in Dharamshala.
But in all fairness, yes, please go ahead, Boria.
Yeah. Go on.
Boria, in all fairness then, aren't the Pakistan team justified to, express these kind of apprehensions, because they're not getting any assurance from either, the state government or from the Chief Minister or even from the BCCI over this matter?
That's exactly what my point is, that if you are saying that, yes, there will be protests, we will try and keep them at a distance, is you're telling them, even before they come to your country, that please note, there will be protests if you are here. So obviously they will express apprehensions that why should we go and play in Dharamshala? We are apprehensive of our security. We are concerned about our security, and it will be justified. And look, all said and done, India is hosting this World Cup. BCCI is hosting this World Cup. Even if there is one untoward incident involving one Pakistani cricketer or a fan or a journalist, think about this. The players will get foolproof security. What about journalists? What about fans? If the fans and journalists coming from Pakistan are heckled by the protesters, then what do? Your country is ashamed. I mean, you cannot take that risk by any stretch of imagination. So under such circumstances, it is becoming more and more apparent and more likely that a decision has to be taken to move the match out of Dharamshala. And Kolkata is emerging as the alternate venue for 3 reasons. One, Nagpur is no longer a venue, or an alternate venue rather, because of the Shiv Sena protest or possible Shiv Sena protest. Kolkata CAB is ready. I've spoken to the president. I know the state establishment is ready.
Right.
I know Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee is ready. And Eden Gardens will honor all the Dharamshala commitments. So if you have a ticket for Dharamshala, you will get the exact same facilities, if not better, at Eden Gardens. So all said and done, by afternoon today, we will have clarity, but possible match will move out of Dharamshala to Kolkata.
Okay, Boria, let's see what happens and let's see what decision will be taken on part of the BCCI for now. Thank you so much for joining us. And we're getting in some breaking news related to the story. Defence Minister Manohar Parrikar has come out with a statement over the controversy surrounding the army being roped in to build those bridges, as Kamaljeet Sandhu was just...
पैसे वाले बाबू मेरा बजट बना दो, पैसे वाले बाबू मेरा बजट बना दो, बजट बना दो, बजट बना दो, पैसे वाले मेरा बजट तू